Hello and welcome. I'm Rob King and we're going to do another upgrade to the Aldi mulled wine warmer. This time we're going to add a Whirlpool feature. The components I'm going to need for this is, first of all, something to connect through the Aldi mulled wine warmer so that we can screw on the ball valve. We'll also need a 90-degree elbow joint, and also going to use one of these connections to be able to create a jet type function internally for that warmer. These three components I bought together from the malt miller for £16, so that's not bad. In addition to that, I'm going to add another 1/2 inch ball valve. This will be simpler because I will just screw it into the connection here. And once I've got that, I can then also add in a quick disconnect. So like we've got here, I can put the pump around to generate that internal whirlpool. The biggest challenge, of course, is the bit I fear the most, and that's I'm going to have to drill a hole. For positioning of the whirlpool, I'm going to come round a little bit and go up a bit. So effectively, I'm going to look to drill somewhere around here. To get started, I'm just going to use a smaller drill just to create a guide hole. That sounds like my battery going flat. Okay, we've made a start. That was 4 mil. This is 6. 7 is the biggest before I have to switch to those weird conical ones. This will hopefully take us to about 18 mil. We're looking for a 21 and 2. That's up to 16, we're doing pretty good. I am going to switch and also start drilling the other way. That's quite an impressive burr. Anyway, we've still got quite a few millimetres to go. Either I've broken something or I've gone flat. Charged. We're nearly there. We're there. First connection, so we've got a nice rubber seal here, so that's going to come through. Get that seal on. There's a slight indent for the seal on this, so this actually has a specific way round to go. This one's only going to go hand tight, so this is the elbow, 90-degree elbow. I might need to loosen it a bit so I can point it in the right direction. A little bit of TLC, just got it into roughly the right direction. Nice. interesting challenge. One more piece and then we test for leaks. Most movement feels like to be here. That is off. That is off. Water test. We have 10 litres of water in there to test. Leak. 2 leaks. Turn this one on. Turn this one on. Water should load into the pump. I think the pump needs to be a little lower. Pump is going. Do we have a whirlpool? Somewhat, yes, but perhaps we could do a bit more. It's now positioned slightly more upwards and does seem to be having more of a whirlpool effect. That is a bit of tissue just to help demonstrate, but it is whirlpooling. That's good. Let's check back for leaks. Oh dear, we have a leak back.